Hello everyone, in today's quick demo we're going to show how to create an offer that will give us a specific dollar amount off of a certain item. So in order to do that, we're going to come up here into the Offers tab and get started. We'll click Add an Offer, and we will do a $5 off discount on Green Ghost hot sauce. And the type of offer this will be a amount off of an item. We're going to give a $5 discount, and then which items will receive the discount will be name, Green Ghost. And then we want to make sure that our customers are automatically considering the offer in the cart so they don't have to opt in. Come up here and click Save. And we'll go use our Preview on Site tool to make sure that this offer is working. And if we were to add the Green Ghost to our cart and view the cart, you will see that you're getting a total savings of $5, and the promotion that was applied was the $5 off discount on Green Ghost hot sauce. So that offer is working, and that's how easy it is to create an offer that gives a specific dollar amount off of a particular item.